welcome back to London Kitchen. In today's video we're going to see how to make Mediterranean chicken with Greek salad. Let's see our ingredients for today. I have kept all the ingredients ready here. First, to prepare the 3 chicken breasts, we're going to score them sideways. Now that we have prepared the chicken, let's see the rest of our ingredients. 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon dried mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt as required, a 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. For the marination of the chicken breasts, we're going to add the minced garlic into a bowl. Then comes the olive oil, salt, black pepper powder, dried mixed herbs, Dijon mustard, the honey, and mix well together. Once we have mixed all the ingredients together, add the chicken breasts and cook well. Then leave this in the fridge for an hour to marinate well. Meanwhile, let's prepare the Greek salad. Here we have 8 to 10 leaves of baby gem lettuce, half a red onion, 1/4 cup of a cucumber, 10 black olives, 1 tomato, 50 grams of feta cheese, 1 red bell pepper, and 2 sun-dried tomatoes. Now for the salad dressing, I have here half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon honey, the juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add all of these ingredients in a mixing bowl and mix thoroughly. Then to make the salad, add the chopped baby gem lettuce, the red onions, tomatoes, the feta cheese, red bell pepper, cucumber, black olives, sun-dried tomato, and finally the salad dressing. Mix all these ingredients well. To top up the salad, I have added the croutons and our Greek salad is ready. Now to make the chicken, heat a non-stick pan and add the olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the chicken breasts. Do not turn the breast immediately and wait until it has turned golden brown on one side. Once it has cooked on one side, turn it over and cook until the chicken is fully done. Now that our chicken is done, serve with the Greek salad and enjoy. Do try this recipe and make sure you subscribe to London Kitchen and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful rest of the day.